sometime this week, doesn't really matter, I went over to Hastings and sat down and got a cup of coffee, and the coolest person was there. He beatboxes with a loop machine, and he was in the coffee shop, and he's pretty cool. So yeah, check him out.
Okay, so my sister called me up last night. She's like, you know what? We need to start a movement. We need to start a movement to make people listen to and make better music that like people like us can listen to, because we can't listen to R-rated music. You see how I have the mic? This means that whatever I want to say goes into your ears, and I think people should take responsibility for that.
Sorry, I'm going to have to stop it right there just for the sake of time. But if you want to see more, I've recorded about, I don't know, 3 or 4 songs. I'm not too sure. But they're going to be right around my head, and you can click the boxes, and the links will take you right to videos that I filmed of him doing whole songs and stuff like that. Also, his website will be right here. ialonemusic.net. .net. It's going to be right here. Click it to go to his website. I think you can download music and stuff like that. Questions of today are going to be question 1. If you could name Zach Freeman's music, what would you name it? Leave it in the comments below. And question 2, what should I do for any kind of vlog, or just something you want me to talk about? I'll talk about it. Go ahead and just send me a message or leave it in the comments below. Don't be afraid to leave anything you want.
I have a website. It is ialonemusic.net, and you can find me on Facebook, because the whole freaking world is on Facebook. But yeah, Zach Freeman on Facebook.